I think I was triggered to wanting to invest and set myself up for the future was I saw my mum, who was a teacher. She was very smart, and basically she didn't forward think her future, and superannuation wasn't compulsory back then, and now she's on the pension. And I was defiant that that would not be me. I'm not going to work hard through my life and not think about the future and get to the end and have nothing and live on a couple $100 a week from the government. So in my early 20s, I was really interested in investing, and I didn't really know how to do it. And when I went to OpenCorp for the first time, I was just absolutely I felt at ease. I felt like I was being told the truth. You weren't trying to sell me something specifically, and yeah, it just fitted for me. 2014, I bought my first property in Victoria, and that was a success. And I sat on it for 6 years, and when I understood you're using the equity and it's at no cost to you, it's a formula you follow. You don't need a pile of money or need to be smart. You just need to be armed with OpenCorp and the right support and team behind you and really understand it. I undoubtedly trust OpenCorp, and just every meeting I've had, there's nothing I have to do. I feel really comfortable just saying, hey, I know you've given me this forecast or whatever, but I don't understand it, and they'll step you through it. Read, go to seminars, learn what you can, and everyone I've dealt with there, they put you at ease. You don't feel silly asking questions you don't understand. We don't know all the answers, so that's what OpenCorp are there for.